Hi, today we will talk about customers, segment, list, and custom fields in AiTrillion. If you are using AiTrillion, then customer segmentation is the most powerful feature we have because we have a lot of different modules like loyalty program, reviews, email marketing, membership, affiliate marketing, and all those modules actually create more data, and that data is collected with every customer of your store. So if that customer leave a review or not, how many points a customer have, how many points they have used, or is that customer buy a membership, or is that customer a affiliate of the store. So those kind of data is available with AiTrillion. Now if you go to customer section in the left sidebar, you will see a dashboard like this where we have already created a lot of segments like frequent buyers, losing customers, reviewers and all. And you can also create your own segment from here with this filter here. So in this filter you will find all the customer details, all the orders, then loyalty points, like if the points are expired or how many points they have, how many points remaining, how many points they redeemed, or in which VIP tier those customers are. Similarly, we also track all the tracking of the customers, like what products they're visiting, their unique visit count and all those things. Below that you can see reviews, like if they leave a review or not, their address, their shop name, their affiliate groups, their membership details, their web push, on which smart pop-ups they're clicking or not, if they have the SMS accepted or not, how many times an SMS is sent to them, what they did. Accordingly you can filter out the data and segment your customers. And as soon as you segment the customers, you can see all the details of the customers here in this list. If you click on segments, then you will see a segment dashboard here where you can see all the segments or custom segments which are built by a customer like you, like how many loyalty program members they have, how many subscribers they have, and even we have pre-built segments available for you, so you can reuse these segments for better automation and personalizations. Similarly, you can import your own list, like if you have a list of customers from MailChimp or Klaviyo or any other platform, you can simply import from this import button, a create button here. Then we have custom fields. So Shopify have a set number of fields in the backend, and if you want to collect more fields like date of birth or their age, their sizes, or even their preferences kind of thing, then you can easily create fields here. Like you can give it a name like size, what type it will be, like text or checkbox or radio box or select numbers. You can select anything, and you can create a group also, like for which module this field will be. So I will say like customer, it's a customer detail, map or not, or map with Shopify node attributes, showing customer account. So we have a customer account page where this field can be visible, and you can simply save it. So like this you can create a custom field which will be helpful for your database, and these custom fields play a huge role in automation and personalizing your emails or SMS or web push notifications dynamically. So this is the customer section, and it will be a very helpful thing if you go through it and set up on your store. Thank you.